Please watch my videos through to the very end. Regards, Arielle.
Hi everybody. Well, today I've gone out to sit under the woods to film my 200th video special. So, just sitting here listening to the birds and thinking, and while I'm here I'd like to give a huge thank you to all of my subscribers and watchers, and especially those who do watch my videos through to the end. And to those who do watch my videos through to the end, I have several ways of knowing, and I'll try to give you all a shout out from time to time. Also, we've had a few haters, and one of my subscribers came up with the theory that this hater has watched one of our videos and then goes across to everybody who comments on this video and thumbs down. So, some advice to you, Mr. or Ms. Hater: just scroll on by if you really don't like the video, or if you don't like the creator, or you could always hit the thumbs down twice. But as I sit out here with Christmas just around the corner, the weather today, it's a little bit funny. It rains at times, and down here it's supposed to be summertime, but today is 16 degrees Celsius, which I don't mind at all, and that's 61 or just under 61 degrees Fahrenheit, but it feels like 14 degrees Celsius, which is 57 degrees Fahrenheit. But for me, my big dream is to move to North America, somewhere that has snow at Christmas. I love the snow, and it's so beautiful, and it never snows down here. I'd love to live somewhere where the seasons match the months. Not this upside down seasons, summer in December and winter in June, July. It's all upside down. I love the United States. I also love Canada. It's beautiful. To all my Canada friends. The only thing that frightens me about Canada is Justin. So I aim my channel at North America, Europe and Asia, and not really aim my content at the location that I'm in. And many people ask, am I single? Yes, I am single. I mean, who'd want me anyway? But maybe I'm just fussy. And as I said, my big dream is to move to North America. So really I'm interested in somebody who is in North America, somebody who loves the outdoors, somebody who is over the city. I mean, I'm over this city here, and it does appear like it's going to rain. I may need my umbrella just to keep dry. But anyway, I would love to find somebody who does live in North America. The northern United States, where there's mountains, maples, pines, and all those beautiful things. I'm a little bit over eucalyptus and that sort of stuff. Or Canada also, if we could get rid of Justin. I have had people ask me about, do I have a TV? No, I don't have any TVs. With so many great YouTubes to watch and great content here on YouTube, I don't really have time to watch TV, and the mainstream media and a very narrow viewpoint, it's just not for me.
So, as you can see, so many wonderful channels for me to watch, and so many of you, my loyal subscribers and viewers. And, of course, a huge thank you and love to you all.
I prefer to see something that's preaching freedom and much freer. Well, it does look like I'm going to get rained out here, so I might have to move along. So I'll show a couple of clips of my videos right now.
I like to cook so many different foods, simple dishes to elaborate, European, Asian and American favourites. For those who aren't so interested in cooking, I also like to do beer reviews and different drink reviews, as well as getting outside and seeing nature. I love sunsets. I also love the fresh air. I also love to fire it up when I'm cooking. So if you like what you see and wish to support my channel, please consider buying me a coffee. It goes a long way towards buying filming equipment and ingredients.